Hi, I'm Jo from Elsie Grays and I'm really excited to show you my latest quilt, Chambray Stars. This quilt has been made from the Tilda Hibernation blenders and the gorgeous range of Tilda Chambrays. Each kit has been laser cut for accuracy and will save you hours of cutting and fabric wastage. To complement the colourful fabrics, I have added a simple crochet edge with gorgeous tassels. As an added bonus for the first 20 pre-orders, we are packaging up our kits with these lovely mini suitcases. For those of you wanting a smaller hand piecing project, we have a limited number of these mini Chambray Star tabletopper kits now available on our website. Keep an eye out for our next YouTube tutorial when I will demonstrate how to hand piece stars.